What's up, fam bam? It's your girl Shay,
Okay.
and we are doing a cook with me mukbang, a recipe. Well, I don't think you can say this is a recipe because it comes with its own recipe. What we're making is apple smoked bacon and cheddar burgers. They're Angus burgers. I will get a better shot of the box with the other camera because that camera that we pouring off of sucks. Okay, and then this other one is hatch green chili. Would you say chiles and provolone? So let's see it. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? And these are Angus beef patties too. And then Tay picked out waffle fries, and they're Kroger brand. We picked both of these up from Kroger, and then to drink, we're gonna surprise y'all with that drink. But so she got the fries going.
I'm sorry, no shit.
Yeah, she got the fries going now, and I'm about to get these cracking. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook these first because I know the kids probably will want these because I think Trey and Terrell only the ones that like hot stuff, and Jalen don't, and Andre don't, and sometimes she can't tolerate hot stuff. So I'm gonna cook these first, and then I'm gonna do these so that the spiciness won't be in the pot with this. I mean, you know what I mean. All right, y'all. See you in a second. About to do the frying up. Be right back. Okay, guys, so what you're gonna need is a plate. This plate is to put your burgers on once they're done. Then you need this to flip your burger. So like I said before, what I'm gonna start off with is the Applewood smoked bacon and cheddar Angus beef burger. So I'm gonna go with this one first. So let me unbox it. This is my first time cooking these too, so y'all are going to be cooking it with me for the first time. See this? This is how they come out. This is how they look. So what I'm gonna do is season it up because I'm pretty sure they don't have seasoning on it. I don't think it's saying nothing about seasoning. Nope. So I'm about to cut these off this pack and season them up, and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna record it on here because I can't hold the phone and do all this. So this is me cutting them out. Now, because this camera can't go in the downward angle so y'all can see, you won't be able to see me season it. But when I bring the other camera back, you'll be able to see it after that. So I'm setting these 3 on the plate.
Strain. Let me see that bag cost.
You put them in a strainer?
Yeah, just strain the grease off.
You got a bag under it?
No, it's like a little pot.
Okay, so I use my basic seasonings. Seasoning, salt, and black pepper. That's it. He just took some of the other fries out and actually put more in. I'm trying to get these on the go because I want everything to be hot at the same time. I was going to get some lettuce to put on there, but the lettuce at that grocery store that we went to, no. So, we didn't get that. Well, I didn't know. I didn't think about it until today, and we didn't go to Kroger's today. We just went to the grocery store up the street. Okay, so I'm done seasoning these 3. Oh my god, I think it's a mosquito in here, and it keeps flying near me. Probably a little mother sucker that bit me on the leg. Okay, so I'm done seasoning, so I'm gonna be right back. And I'm gonna show y'all. Oh, see, here it is, y'all. It's seasoned. Now it's time to put them into the skillet. So I'm gonna let those get together, you know, cook and all that on one side while I season the other 3 I have. And then I'm gonna open this box and season this. So be right back, you guys. Okay, you guys. I'm about to flip them. I checked them to see if they was ready, and they ready. So this is how they look when they get, you know, close to getting done. We're gonna let the other side cook, and then we'll be back. By the time we come back, though, we'll probably be making plates because it's standard procedure. Seasoning, cooking, same thing. Okay, you guys, this is the last 2 of the cheddar, what was it, and bacon ones, and the other ones are still in here cooking. So y'all see those. And now I'm about to, like I said, open this box, and I'm pretty sure it's packaged the same way. Okay, so it's still packaged the same way. I'm about to open this up, and I'll talk to y'all over there. Be right back. Okay, you guys, so I learned something. This one is packaged different. It has a Ziploc on there. So I don't know why they did that. Maybe because the ones I'm cooking now, the bacon one, was out before this brand came out. So maybe that's why they upgraded the bag on this one, but yeah, they both should have had Ziplocs because the other one I don't even use 5 out of that one. Oh, and that's what I forgot to tell y'all. It comes with 6 burgers or patties. It comes with 6 burger patties in the thing. Okay. These were a lot frozen. A lot more frozen than the other one. Get it open. I got it open. It's just all stuck. So I'm gonna let this sit by the cooker thingy and let it like catch the heat from it. And unthaw some more before I take it. Before I do anything and season and stuff. Okay. So I'm about to go back over here on this phone and let y'all see. Okay, you guys. This is the finished look. We added some Kraft American cheese. She has relish, shredded lettuce, ketchup, and mustard. And these are the fries. Let's see if I can pull one out so y'all can see. It's hard, but there you go. I turned it over. There you go. So there's waffle fries. Yep, that's the finished look. So now we're about to get ready for the mukbang. See y'all in 5 seconds. Hey guys, we're finally back. And we're drinking. We showed y'all the food, and this is what we're drinking. I don't know if y'all can see that clearly, but it's Cheddar House Chardonnay Moscato Mix. Get your glass. Can I see that? Like this be? Mm-hmm. You know me, I turn up. So, but I am about to turn up because I'm getting the last of it to under. This is my glass. AllDay, here. Here. Come get it. It's my. I was about to say something crazy, y'all. It's something for you.
Well, we about to drink it then.
These fries are good. Good. Nope. So, here's Jalen. Jalen.
Okay. Travion, come get this. What's down there? I don't see it. Oh, under the bed.
Okay, since we tried the fries, I'm gonna show y'all again the food. Since you tried the fries, I'm gonna go ahead and try this burger. Which one you wanna do first? If you can tell.
Know which one is which.
Oh well, we're gonna see when we bite into it. We try, like we said, we try one apiece. So we got one that's the garnet hatch, chilies, and provolone, and the other one's the what was it called?
Apple smoked
Apple
bacon.
wood.
Oh, apple with bacon and cheese.
Cheddar.
Yeah.
One on three.
Hot.
I didn't say three.
Oh.
I got the hot one too. I think. No, wait. Let me try. One more try. Yeah, that's the bacon one.
Oh, I'm sure that's no, but that chili one is on point. Because the cheese is good. And chili is not that hot. It's hot, but it ain't that hot. It's hot. But to me, it ain't that hot once you keep on biting it. Like the initial taste when you first gave it to me was hot. But after that, I kind of got used to it.
Yeah, this is the hot one. It's hot. Trust me. And I like hot stuff. You gotta see me with my hot sauce.
Yeah, it's hot.
And the thing is, it got provolone cheese in it and American cheese. But the thing is, it's good. It's good. It's really good. Now, I'm gonna tell y'all the pros and the cons with these patties. First, the pro is they juicy like they say they are. They fill with cheese and everything. And then like when you break it in half or bite into it, if you do it without putting anything on it, if you get that right piece, that cheese shoot all in your mouth. It's so good. But the con is when they're frozen coming out the box, as y'all saw I was struggling with it. They should put wax paper on there to separate the patties so you don't, when you take it out of the freezer and you're ready to cook it, you don't have to struggle or, have them being stuck together. So that's the con, and that's the pros and cons. That's the only con though. Other than that, it's good.
My pros are they're delicioso, they're good, they're great.
Should have said the same thing, or in different words.
What? I'm trying to talk more. What do you know? I'm just be quiet.
Go ahead, delicioso. Great and good. What's your con?
You take too long to cook. No, like she said, they're hard to break apart.
As I said, it didn't take that long. But they came out, except for when they were stuck together and I had to cook them as one big patty. And then they broke apart. Are y'all wondering, why do they use buns? Because I'm from the hood. You ain't got no buns? Sandwich bread.
And we didn't think about all this. Well, maybe she did, but I didn't.
I didn't think about it until we got home. But I'm gonna tell y'all, I would definitely buy these again.
And you get a 10 in my book.
Really, front chicken. Question: how many of y'all like to put your fries on your burger? So like if you go to McDonald's, Burger King, anywhere. I do it so much. My kids are starting to copy. We made these burgers and Terrell stuck his fries on his burger. But that's the crazy thing. Like when it's home cooked, I don't necessarily have to do that. Because home cooked, it have its own flavors and stuff on there. And then when you go to a restaurant like fast food place, they sometimes it ain't juicy. Sometimes it's bland. Sometimes they don't.
They skip on the condiments.
That too. So when we put the fries on there, honestly, it's just like wasting it up.
What is that?
Take away from the blandness. You go in the hot one?
No, I'm trying to get it down.
How many of y'all love when Tay talk and I be silent sticking in the mud? Because I feel like when she's talk, it makes the video more interesting than when I have to talk by myself or just be making jokes and she just sitting there like crickets.
Ooh. Wow, that burger is so hot. It's so good.
And this from a person who said it wasn't hot.
Because it wasn't hard at first. You biting it, it's so hot. So y'all, I had an interview today. I'm not gonna please say.
I can't hear you.
Bubble jiggles. What?
If I can't hear you, they can't hear you.
I'm gonna scream it.
Yes. Talk loud.
I ain't gonna scream it. I don't have to talk loud to scream. I mean, I don't have to scream to talk loud.
Well, talk loud.
I had an interview today, y'all, at this store called Myers down here, and they offered me a position. I'm just waiting on the background check to come back.
Okay. Yes, I got cheese on it. Now I'm done with the bacon burger. One, two, the spicy meatball. If I can get it down, because I'm at full.
What?
Get on. Jason, he trying to tell y'all to say his name.
Jayla.
Jalen.
Okay, bye bye.
You didn't say it three times.
Jayla. That's crazy. Oh boy. Okay, I'm doing a spicy noodle sandwich. It's making me hot, or this drink is making me hot. One of these two.
I'm gonna have a drink because regular making me hot.
We two different people. Then you drunk some of that.
Drink making me hot. Just what y'all eating tonight?
Woo! We're about to get You said, wait, what did you say? What they eating tonight?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I thought you said what you're drinking tonight. Oh, that's why I said that. That liquor has invaded my eardrums. Can't hear properly. Oh my god.
What?
Hot. Spicy meatball. I'm gonna put some more ketchup on it. Whew. You know, here I read it back around cussing. I'm putting his mouth in timeout. He got potty mouth. That's my dance to try to get it down without going crazy because it's hot. Y'all try it and see. Might not be that spicy to y'all. Somebody probably eat this boy like, oh, it tastes like a hot sausage. But you bite it, you see the dang peppers, the spicy peppers. No, I didn't put ketchup on the burger. It was on the fry. Okay, well, she wasn't joking.
Oh, she beat me, y'all.
Yeah, she been playing with her food.
I wasn't playing. What you about?
She been sucking too many pickles.
You nasty. You know what?
Her throat messed up.
Anyways.
She been sucking too many pickles. Y'all go look at our main channel for those who are new to this channel and not from our old channel. Go look at the True Life Crew channel. My first time. Go look at that video. She tell you how to suck me. Open up when you swallow it and shut the fuck up. Who know where that came from? You just got my mouth all ready. It ain't nothing but a swallow in here.
Shut up, swallow.
Swallow and shut the fuck up.
Yeah.
If you blind motherfucker.
I will tell you this mad, but you probably can't find it. You darn well brother.
That bitch.
And I like my favorite part when she said, I love that little boy.
Do y'all know where that came from?
And then the part where you say, oh, she wanted a big, fat, greasy, hairy, stinky, big, fat, juicy, crazy burger. Just kidding. She didn't say burger, but
She.
I mean, he started. What?
Come on, 6 with your funky ass. Wait till you order.
Baby needs shoes. Wife needs clothes.
You need some feet. Remember you said that?
Oh, yeah. Baby need feet.
Okay, I'm done, y'all.
I'm getting full, y'all. But I'm gonna finish it up.
I'm done, okay. I was hungry.
She's taking no prisoners. She ain't playing no games.
She was over there eating fries and stuff while she was cooking them.
Yep.
I wasn't eating nothing, but a little piece of the spicy burger because one was broken up. What the fuck was that? A dinosaur came out your throat?
Yeah, you can get blue.
That dinosaur came out your ass. Okay, you guys. I hope y'all like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. And subscribe. Become a member of the fam bam. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Let us know y'all like these videos, you know? You know? Because we lit.
We
Almost there. Alright, y'all. Peace. Wait, no.
Love.
Love, peace, and soul food.